see you guys there. Glad you guys could stop in for another visit to the Hawkins household. Hopefully you got to take a chance. Well, I saw the work you guys submitted. It looked very good. And again, we've started a unit on transformations, and we looked at a translation. And again, the translation was just a slide on the coordinate plane, and you guys handled that very well. Again, you could express that 3 ways. You could do it in words, you could do it in coordinate method or vector method, and you guys showed me that you could do all of those. So we're going to move on to the transformation unit. Joey, come here. What is this? There's a random mirror in the kitchen, which kind of brings us to our next transformation. Joey, come here. What do you see in the mirror? You see your what? That's your...
Me.
Reflection. So our next transformation is reflection. So next, a few observations about our reflection here. So I got the dog in the picture too. So I got a Stogan t-shirt on Joey. And then we're going to look in the reflection now. And in the reflection, it doesn't say Stoga, Joey. What does it say?
Osa.
Gots. So it's got that weird reverse orientation thing going. Another thing I want you to know, well, the whole reverse orientation thing. Joey, you know your lefts and rights? I want you to raise your right hand. Good job. We rehearsed that well. So he's raising his right hand. If you look in the mirror, though, his reflection is not raising his right hand. His reflection is raising its left hand. So again, that's that whole weird reverse orientation, which is kind of hard to get used to. One more thing I want you to notice about the reflection is the distance that Joey is standing from the mirror. Again, the distance from here to the mirror, if you look into the reflection, it's the same as from the mirror to the reflection. And we're going to use that in our pursuit of this transformation of a reflection. All right, thanks, Joey. All right, which kind of brings us to, again, we're going to be doing this all on the coordinate plane. So on the coordinate plane. And today we're going to work on reflections that just reflect over the y-axis and the x-axis. So again, if I reflect over the x-axis, again, I can take a point. Let's go in the second quadrant here, and we'll do like -2, 3. So again, reflecting over the x-axis, what you're going to find out, I'm going to post notes on this as well, but the line of reflection, which in this case is the x-axis, this is the perpendicular bisector between the pre-image point A, and then if I reflect it across, again, it's going to be the same distance. So 1, 2, 3, go 1, 2, 3 in the other direction, and I have A prime. So now you can see that the line of reflection, which in this case is the x-axis, is the perpendicular bisector between A and A prime. Same works true with the y-axis. Again, if I reflect over the y-axis, and I'll go down here in the fourth quadrant, I'll go down to 2, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go down to 6. And we'll call this the pre-image point B. So now if I reflect that over the y-axis, again, the y-axis needs to be the perpendicular bisector. So I would go over 2, another 2, and I end up at B prime over here. So now you can see the y-axis is now a perpendicular bisector between the image and the pre-image. So again, I'll be going over that again in the notes, which will be the next video that you see. Again, thanks very much for coming into our video. Say goodbye, Joe. Say goodbye, Maggie.
Bye.
All right, thank you.